What's good, fam? It's your boy Gels and I'm back with another video. In this video, we got another unboxing, man. And it's from SoftTube. Can you guess what it is? Let's go. Like I said, family, we got a new unboxing in. Can you guys guess what it is? Why do I even say that, man? You guys have seen the title, so you already know what it is. And it's that SoftTube Console 1, man. I heard some great things about the Console 1. I can't wait to get inside of this box so I can see the build quality of it, hook it up to my system, and really give it a try. So look here, what we're gonna do in this video, you know how we do. We're gonna unbox this thing, man, let you guys see the build quality, what you get in the box, and then we're gonna come back with another video after I've already ran it through its paces, tried it on a bunch of mixes, and let you guys know what I truly think about the SoftTube Console 1. So look here, enough talking, let's head over to the table and unbox it. All right, guys, so here's the Console 1 box. This little sleeve right here was actually on this box. This is what the sleeve says. SoftTube Console 1. Quickly switch between your tracks and control EQ, compressor, gate, and more. Mix with the sound of a solid-state Logic SSL 4000E or customize your sound with any of the numerous other Console 1 ready products. That's dope right there. All right, here's the actual box, which says Sound Workflow Control. All right, you guys ready? We're gonna view this thing together. You guys ready to open up and check it out? All right, let's go. Doom, doom, doom. Let you guys wait a second. Doom, doom, doom. Doom, 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 doom. All right. Of course. We don't get to actually see it yet. It does come with an activation code along with some quick display manuals and your instructions. Let's get that out the way and save that for later. And here's what it actually looks like. All right, so let's get this thing out the box. So it is USB powered. It does come with a USB cord. And here we have it. Not even gonna lie, guys. This thing is really built with quality. The knobs are plastic, but the knobs do feel well made. You have your track selector buttons. They're very audible. Not even gonna lie, this thing feels amazing. You have your input gain here, your high and low cuts, your gate release, and all that section here. This is your shape section. This section right here is the EQ section. This is the compressor section right here. This is your overall volume. You could pan, stuff like that. There is one thing that I do not like about this thing, man. It's only black buttons. I do not like, I wish they would have made these buttons color, but there are a few options. And in fact, there is a company that makes buttons for this, but there are also some little stickers that you can get from Amazon. That's what I got. I got some stickers that I'm gonna put on here just to, so I can go off of, I don't have to study it to see exactly what it is. Because with this thing laying on your desk, you can see what it is, but colors would just make my workflow a little bit quicker, man. Again, this thing is quality made. I'm glad we got this. So like in this video is simply just an unboxing. I wanted you guys to see exactly what it is. The next